Math 7, lesson 11.3, we're going to be talking about surface areas of prisms. The surface area of a prism is the sum, or the total, of the area of its faces. If we take a look at this shape right here, and we take all of its faces, which are all the parts that we see, even the ones we don't on the back, and then on the bottom underneath, and we add those together, then that's going to be the surface area. And a net is an unfolded version of the three-dimensional shape. So over here, it's as if we took this right here, let's just say this were made of cardboard, and we were to flatten it out so it looks like this. So this is all of the cardboard needed to make that. So sometimes you'll see that, like if you're putting together a box and they give it to you flattened and you have to fold it, this is the flattened part of it. And this is what we actually use in order to find the surface area, because now it's a two-dimensional shape, which is called a net. And then we just take the area of each of these shapes and then we add them all together. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to start with the top, and that's right here. So let's find the area of the top. That will be length times width. And so I'm going to go ahead and so this is the width, and that's the length, and that is going to be 12 times 8. And so that is going to be 96 inches in its area, so it's squared. Now the front. So the front is right here, and that's going to be 4 times 12. So it's length times height, and that is 12 times 4, which is going to be 48 inches squared. Now the left side, and that is going to be length times width, and that's going to be 8 times 4, which is 32 inches squared. Let's move it up a little bit here. And now we're going to take a look at the bottom section, which is right here. And that's going to be length times width as well. So it's going to be 8 times 12. So length times width, 12 times 8, and that's going to be 96 inches squared. Now the back, which is right here. So it's going to be length times height, and the length is right here, which is 12, and then the height is right here, and that's going to be 4, because right here we see the height is 4. So length times height, 12 times 4, and that's going to be 48 inches squared. And now the right side, right here, 8 times 4. So that is width times height. And again, if we forget what those numbers are, we can look right here. This is what we started with. And so our width is 8 times 4, and that's going to be 32 inches squared. So now we're going to add all those up. So we're going to I have this already written out for us. This is all of the sides that equal the surface area. So let's plug in the answers that we already have. So that is going to be, the top is 96. It's 96 plus the bottom is 96 plus the front. So I'm just pulling from these numbers here. The front is 48. Plus the back is 48, plus the left side is 32, plus the right side is 32. So we add that those all together, and we get, so let's just condense it down, and we're going to get, so we add those and we get 192, that, and we get 96, and this here, and we get 64. So that's our surface area, and we add all those together, and surface area of the prism is 352 inches squared. Now let's go ahead and do another example. This time we're going to use a triangular prism. So the dimensions are labeled right here on the triangular prism. And then this is the net. So this is after we flattened it out, and then I just went ahead and put on the dimensions here so it's easy to work with when we're trying to find out each side. So let's go ahead and start here. Face 1, which is right here. And face 1 is going to be 8 times 13. And the way that I got that is it's 8, and then we need this side right here, which is the same as right here. So it's going to be 13. And that is 104 centimeters squared. Then we have face 2 right here. That's going to be 10 times 13. 130 centimeters squared. Face 3 is going to be 6 times 13, which is 78 centimeters squared. And now the triangle 1 base. So that is right here. And so our formula for a triangle, area of a triangle, if we remember, is half base times height. So that is going to be half of, half of 6 times 8. So I'm going to cut that 6 in half, and that's going to be 3 times 8. And so area is 24 centimeters squared. That's for triangle 1. Now we have to find triangle 2, which is the other base. And that is going to be the same. So it's half of 6 times 8. And so we know that that area is 24 centimeters squared. So now again, we're just going to add all those together. So it's the sum of all of the surfaces is the surface area. And so let's just add those all up. So triangle 1 was 24 plus triangle 2 is 24 plus face 1 is 104 plus face 2 is 130 plus face 3 is 78. So that is the surface area. And then we go ahead and add all those together, and we get our surface area of the prism is 360 centimeters squared.